Hey there YouTube, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. I hope this video finds you guys well. Okay, yesterday's video I said that I had a pet. A lot of y'all don't know who the pet is. This pet, it was kind of a nemesis. He's kind of a pain in the tuchus sometimes, but I love him to death. So, without further ado, here's Ace the Wonder Dog. A little bit. Ace, you ready to go outside? Oh, see, he's ready to go. And this is how we start every morning's like this, ain't it right? Oh yeah, every day. He's ready to go. What? You want to go? You want to go talk? You want to go talk to the people? You do, don't you? Yeah. Okay, let's go visit. Every day, people, it's like this. All right, I got to take him out. Talk to you later. Okay, well, Ace is getting a Christmas present. Check this out. Go ahead. Look at that. Oh, and he's off. It's just a nice, fun toy. What do you think, Ace? You gonna give it to me? You gonna let me play with it? That was from Jandy. Let's check that out. Oh, he's loving it. What do you guys think? What do you think, Ace? Isn't that fun? Look at that. Oh, it's not coming with you, is it? Oh yeah, we gotta follow him. What do you think, Ace? Oh. He's a happy camper, isn't he?
But he left it.
Now, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but he'll have fun with it for at least 37 minutes. And the way he's shaking his head, he's gonna, okay, I'm getting dizzy. How about y'all? Okay, enough Ace time. Talk to you later. What do you think, Ace? Are they kind of small? Yeah? Get the ball. Ace, let's go. Let's go. What? I gotta open the door first, don't I? Come on, get out. Okay, wait, let's try that. Do it again. He's a jumper. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. There you go. That's the right way to do it. Well, like I promised, there's a little bit of Ace. Ace was my son's dog, Preston, and when he passed, he came to live with me. He has quite the personality, as you can see. Very, very rambunctious, and he's a big dog. He's not a little puppy. He's approximately 3 years old. Oh, you can't get it now, can you? Well, I guess I'll have to get it for him. Look at him. He's like, bring it, come on. Oh yeah, he likes to talk too. And this toy is just a rope, but it is his favorite. You ready, buddy? Oh, and he likes balls too. There you go. One of these days, we're gonna go right over there and we're gonna do a little swimming. He does love the water. Anyway, This has been Ace. I'll show him in a few more videos of mine, because I know a lot of people like to see pets and what kind of mischievous adventures they're up to. And let me tell you, you guys remember that cartoon Marmaduke? Well, yeah, this is Marmaduke's little brother right here. He is mischievous as heck. Alright, well, I want to tell you, thanks for watching. Alright, like I said, there's a little bit of Ace. I think I'm going to incorporate him in a few more videos. He is rather mischievous. He's a fun dog. Although he's a pain in the behind sometimes, like right now, he's getting into crap. Anyway, I'm going to make this short and sweet. Remember, you know what? If you're going to have a pet on the road, take care of him. Take care of her. I don't care if it's a dog or cat. Keep him leashed up, please. Just make sure that animal, make sure that you're a responsible pet owner. There you go. Responsible. It's not the pet's fault if it gets into a little trouble. They don't know any better. Alright, y'all. Hey, thank you for joining me. And Ace. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.